The ostrich, belonging to the family Struthionidea, is one of the largest birds on Earth, standing at around 2.5 meters tall and weighing between 90 to 130 kilograms, making it the largest bird. On land, ostriches are known for their incredible running ability, reaching speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour. Despite their size, ostriches have relatively small brains compared to their body size, but they exhibit unique intelligence that allows them to adapt to their environment. Male ostriches are responsible for building and protecting nests, while females lay eggs and care